There's a lot of principles and practices nowadays in programming, and they are common for many programming languages, and they got established in this period of programming development, and they are perceived as necessary, and you just can't argue with them. For example, there's some code structure principles such as don't repeat yourself whenever one instance of the code should be maintained in single place in the program. The solid principles where it's a whole ecosystem of rules that are interconnected, and many testing principles, and so on. But in my opinion, there's a couple of principles that might serve the long-term service, and they will evolve in some time. The first one is to keep it simple. So the main idea, the main goal is to aim for simplicity in design and implementation. Because simple solutions are much easier to maintain and easier to understand. For example, if your task is to write a simple program that will output 2 + 2 in the console, there's no huge need in AI tools, the Azure services, the authentication, the database, and so on. This example might be like exaggerated, but still it shows the whole idea of it. The second thing is the idea of code review. Code review can be useful in many things. It can be a tool of knowledge sharing between the team members, because the best way to get know new stuff is to look at the stuff from the other point of view. The other thing, it can be the tool for keeping code much more organized in the way the current team sees it, and it might help with the catching maybe some bugs or design flaws, because two heads are better than one. That's it.
I'm particularly passionate about the principle of clean code. Writing clean, readable, and maintainable code is crucial. It not only helps others understand and work with your code, but also reduces bugs and technical debt. Additionally, I believe in test-driven development. Writing tests before coding ensures that every piece of functionality is verified, leading to more reliable and robust software. Lastly, continuous integration and continuous deployment practices streamline the development process, making it more efficient.
I am passionate about exploratory testing, as it allows you to learn about new functionality and gives you the opportunity to introduce yourself with it. The tester actively controls the decision of their test while these tests are being executed.